Hello everyone, my name is Domingo and I'm from the Dominican Republic, a country which is located in the Caribbean, in which Spanish is the main language. I want to welcome to all of you to my YouTube channel, Learning Spanish from Zero. It is created with the purpose of increasing and helping you with your Spanish. As you already know, Spanish is spoken all around the world, especially in Latin America. For this reason, our main focus is going to be on the neutral accent of the language, avoiding for now regionalisms, slangs, and other expressions which are used in Spanish countries. Besides these informations, we will learn Spanish from zero. However, your participation and your commitment to this Spanish course is crucial because you are the main characters of this learning process. Therefore, we will start this Spanish course together and we will finish it together as well. You will ask yourself what kind of methodology will be used in this course to accomplish our goal. First off, I want you to know to avoid translation at all costs. And to do that, I will explain the objectives of each video in English so that you can have a wide understanding about what we are going to cover in the video. But after that, everything will be explained in Spanish so that you can assimilate it. At the end of the video, I will make a little review regarding everything we have seen so far. So, I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. And remember that the best is yet to come. I hope to see you soon in our first video called Introductions in Spanish. Bye bye!